Okay, welcome back to Algebra as we start 3.2, and we're going to talk about word phrases and algebraic expressions. Word phrases is probably one of the issues that our students have the most difficulty with, and knowing the right sequence in which the wording wants you to place that algebraic expression is essential, because you can come up with incorrect answers if your sequence is wrong. So let's just write a few of these expressions and then see how we would find a solution to them. Okay, so let's try problem number 1. It's not in your book, so you're just going to listen closely. If 1/3 of 15, well, we know that 1/3 of 15, that's our solution. That's all there is to it. Let's try another one here. What about the reciprocal? What is the reciprocal of 5? Well, first you got to know what a reciprocal is. If you did not know what a reciprocal is, I would recommend you go to the back of your book and look it up and find the definition. And if you were to do that, a reciprocal is two numbers whose product is 1. Okay, so it's two numbers whose product is 1. So what is the reciprocal of 5? Well, in order for that to equal 1, it's going to be 1 over 5. Okay, what's the reciprocal of 1/3? Well, reciprocal of 1/3 would be 3 over 1. So again, if you don't know what a reciprocal is, you would definitely want to go look that up. Absolute value of a -12. Well, we know absolute value is the bars, and it says a -12. And we're not supposed to find a solution here. We're just writing the algebraic expression out. Another one, how about the cube root of 64? Well, we know the square is simple, but to get a cube, we'd have to put the 3 by the doghouse. And it is the cube root of 64. Word problems are not difficult if we know all the terminology. Some of the terminologies that we'll see were listed on the page, like times, less, quotient, sum, twice, divided by, more, and the list can go on, and there's quite a few listed there on page 90 in your textbook. So let's look at some of the examples that are in the book. If we say we have the sum of n and 4, the sum of n and 4, the difference between a number and 5, the difference means subtraction, so it's n minus 5. There's quite a few examples listed on that page, and we have covered this material before, so it should be like a repeat to you. Now, the biggest issue that you have would be when you're dealing with subtraction. Let's say I did reverse n plus 4 and 4 plus n. I happen to get the same solution. But if I was to reverse this one, and I did 5 minus n, their solutions would not be the same. And I could plug my numbers in for n, and I can prove that they are not the same solution. If n equaled 8, well then this side would be equal to 3, and this side would be equal to -3. They do not equal, so it's very important that our algebraic expression is written correctly, and it does take a lot of effort. And there's other ways that we can get some assistance on the internet or extra worksheets if you find this to be difficult. Well, good luck with section 3.2, and we'll talk to you later.